Hi everybody, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Sony Bravia TV not turning on. In order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. If your Sony Bravia TV won't turn on, start by checking the power cable and the outlet. If the TV still doesn't power on, try power cycle by unplugging the TV for 30 seconds and then you could just plug it back in and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The other way to fix it is that point the remote control at the TV sensor, press and hold the power button on the TV remote for approximately seconds. The TV should display a power off message and then reset and start automatically. If that doesn't seem to be working out, you want to force factory data reset. For that, and power. Unplug the TV's power cord, press and hold the power and volume button on the TV while plugging the TV back in. Now hold the button until a green LED light appears, approximately 30 to 10 seconds, then release it. The TV will restart twice and the welcome screen will appear. You could also ensure that the remote control has a fresh battery. You could try resetting the remote control by removing the batteries, pressing the power button for approximately 3 seconds and then reinserting the batteries and see that fixes your issue or not. Despite of doing all this procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, you want to simply contact Sony customer support. So open up a browser on your device and type in contact Sony customer support and then let them know about the issue that you're having and they should be able to help you out. Some of the ways to fix it, so I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.